Hey guys, welcome back to another reading lesson. On the top of your paper today, this is what I need to see. It needs to say reading 1/4/20. That's today's date. Reading 1/4/20. And just remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Alright, so to start off today's lesson, I'm going to read two very short stories, and you're going to listen very carefully, and I'm going to then ask you a couple questions about it. So you need to make sure that you have your listening ears on and your eyes are looking at the illustration so you can understand what the whole story is fully about. Alright, this one is called Ride the Horse. Dad has a horse. Dad can ride a horse. Smart Alec may go with Dad. Smart Alec can ride a horse. Smart Alec can ride near the road. Alright, so it's another Smart Alec story. So for our first question, we have, what can Dad do? Do you remember what Smart Alec's dad can do? Can he A, ride a horse, B, see the turtle, or C, play ball? Which one do you think it was? Let's start off with letter C. C says play ball, but I don't remember in the story them talking about playing ball at all. And then B says that Dad can see the turtle, but I don't think there was a turtle in the story either. Maybe in the story we read the other day, but there's no turtle in this story. So what can Dad do? A says ride a horse. Can Dad ride a horse? Yes, I believe the story said that Dad can ride a horse. Let's read it again real quick just to make sure. Dad has a horse. Dad can ride a horse. There it is. What can Dad do? A, ride a horse. So at the top of your, or under the title of your paper, you can put the number 1 and write A, ride a horse. A, ride a horse. All right, for number 2, the second question says, Smart Alec will ride what? Smart Alec will ride A, on the road, B, near the road, or C, around the road. Do you remember where Smart Alec is going to ride? Let's read the story at the end, okay? So after we saw that Dad can ride a horse, it says, Smart Alec may go with Dad. Smart Alec can ride a horse. Smart Alec can ride near the road. So let's see, Smart Alec will ride either on the road, near the road, or around the road. At the end of the story it says he can ride near the road. So the answer is B, near the road. Smart Alec will ride near the road. So for number 2, make sure you put the letter B, near the road. Very good. Alright, so we're going to start our second story. So make sure you leave some space. Maybe draw a line underneath all the work you just did. Draw a straight line under all your answers, because now we're going to have some new answers for a different story. Alright, this story is called We Have Fun. Meg can ride the horse. She will ride the horse that is near the tree. That horse can go fast. Smart Alec can see a big dog near the horse. That big dog likes to run and play. Smart Alec and Meg will have fun. All right. So question number 1. It says, the horse can go what? The horse can go A, slow. The horse can go B, fast. Or the horse can go C, go. I believe in the story, do you remember if the horse was fast or slow? It says Meg can ride the horse. She will ride the horse that is near the tree. That horse can go fast. So did she say slow or fast? She said fast, right? It's a fast horse. So the answer for number 1 is B, fast. The horse can go fast. Go ahead and write that whole sentence where number 1 is. The horse can go fast. All right, for number 2, and remember, always pause the video if you need more time to write. Number 2 says, Meg and Smart Alec will what? They will A, read, B, sing, C, have fun. Which one do you think it is? Did they say anything about reading? No, I don't think they did. Did they say that they were going to sing? I don't think so. It's quite possible that they might sing when they're riding the horse, but I don't think they said that. The very last sentence says, Smart Alec and Meg will have fun. So number 2 says Meg and Smart Alec will C, have fun. Because the story told us that they're going to have fun, not that they're going to read or sing. So on your paper, you should have number 2 is C, have fun. Meg and Smart Alec will have fun. Okay, so when you're done writing your answers, draw a line under all the answers you just did, because now we're going to unscramble a sentence. So it looks very similar to the sentence we did the other day, different words of course, but it's scrambled up the same, and we have to figure out which word should go first, second, third, and fourth. So this is the sentence that I need help fixing. I have the word to, and y'all can try to say the words before I do, okay? So we have the word to, the word I. This was one of your sight words too. It's the word jump. And then another sight word, the word like. So we have to, I, jump, like. So when we do sentences, we always start with what? Do we start with a lowercase letter? No. We start with an uppercase letter, right? A capital letter. So does this word have a capital letter at the beginning? No, the T is lowercase, right? That's a lowercase t. Is this I uppercase? It is, isn't it? I is the uppercase letter. And just to make sure, does jump have uppercase or lowercase? That's a lowercase j, isn't it? And then the word like has a lowercase l. That's not a big L, it's a little l. So we are going to assume that our sentence is going to start with the word I. So I'm going to move that down here. The word I. So let's see. I what? I to, I jump, or I like. All right, so I don't think it is I to. That doesn't really make much sense. Could it be I jump? It could be, yes. Could it be I like? That could also be a possibility. Now, when you look at jump and like, what do you notice about one of them? Do y'all see any punctuation after any of those? That's right, there is some punctuation at the end of jump. And that is a period, right? And periods, do they go in the middle of a sentence? No, where do they go? They go at the end of a sentence, right? So we already know this word, the word jump, has to go where? The very end, right? So I'm going to move this all the way over here. So now we just have to fill in which words go in the middle. So we have the word I, and then we have blank, blank, jump. I something, something, jump. I to like jump? No. I like to jump? That sounds better, doesn't it? Because we already said that I too, doesn't really make that much sense, but I like does make sense. So let's go ahead and move this here so we can see how that sounds. I like jump. So which word is missing? What does this word say? To. Would that make sense going there? I like to jump. It does make sense, doesn't it? That is a good sentence now. It makes more sense than it used to. So let's read the sentence together. I like to jump. Now let's read it faster. I like to jump. Very good. All right, go ahead and write the sentence on your piece of paper. Don't forget the capital letter. Don't forget the finger spaces between each word, and then the punctuation at the very end. So don't forget that period at the very end. I like to jump. And feel free to pause the video if you need more time, but make sure you write the sentence right here. I like to jump. Very good. And to end our lesson, we are going to practice reading some words. The first word is the word map. So I don't have it written down yet, so we need to sound it out so we know how it's spelled. So map, like you're reading a treasure map. How do I spell the word map? If you already know how to spell it, go ahead and write it down. So map. What's the first sound we hear? Right? The sound. And what makes the sound? M does, right? Now we need a, p. A, p. A is the A sound. A. So what letter goes last for map? A, p. P. What makes the p sound? P. M-A-P spells map. Map. So go ahead and write this word down. Map. Alright, so you wrote the word map down. Now I'm going to write another word. What does this word say? It has the same ending as the word map, right? The app sound. So we know what it sounds like at the end. App. But what does the R sound like? App. Rap. Rap. Like you're going to wrap a present or you're going to rap a song. Rap. Rap. So go ahead and write this word down too. R-A-P. Rap. Now if I take away this R and I put, what letter is that? A T. If I put a T there, now what word is it? Because it used to be the word map and then it turned into the word rap. So what word is it now? App. Tap, right? Like you're tapping your finger on something or you're tapping your foot. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. So write this word down too on your piece of paper. T-A-P. Tap. Now if I get rid of the T and I put the letter N, what word does it become? App. App. Nap. Right? Like you're taking a nap because you're really tired. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. So go ahead and write this one down. Nap. Okay. And let's see, you should have the words, and go ahead and put your finger under your first word. You should have the word map, rap, tap, and nap. So there are two things I want you to do, just to test if you're being a good listener. I want you to circle the word tap. T-app. Go ahead and circle the word tap. So you might need to sound out your words, but which one starts with the T sound? T. Tap. Go ahead and circle the word tap. Now the second thing I want you to do is underline, put a line under the word map. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. So which of those words that you wrote down says map? Go ahead and draw a line under the word map. So you should have tap circled and map underlined. So that's it for today's lesson. I will see you guys later with another reading video and math video. So I look forward to seeing you guys again on our Zoom video chat. Bye guys.